Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. MB Bank is a popular digital banking app designed to provide convenient financial services to its users. This video explains the features of the MB Bank app, how to navigate its interface, and what services it offers for managing accounts and transactions. After downloading the app, users can create an account by providing their personal details and verifying their identity. Once logged in, the app dashboard displays account balances, recent transactions, and quick access to transfers and payments. The menu is organized to help users easily find services like fund transfers, bill payments, and account management. Key features include instant money transfers, bill payment options, mobile top-ups, and detailed transaction histories. The app also supports secure login with biometrics and offers notifications to keep users updated on account activity. User feedback generally highlights the app's ease of use and efficient transaction processing. Some users mention occasional technical glitches, but overall find it reliable for daily banking needs. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.